Pantograph not raising. Check MR. RS pressure is to be more than 8 kg per square centimeter. Change the position of ZPT. If other pantograph rises, resume traction. If other pantograph does not raise, check BA voltage. If showing 0, replace additional CCBA fuse or reset the MCB. If BA voltage is above 80 volt, check CCBA and CCPT. If CCBA, additional CCBA, MCB and CCPT are good, check VEPT isolating cocks for proper opening. Operate VEPT manually few times, resume traction. Ensure BPEMS is not in pressed condition and QEMS is de-energized if provided. HLS, ZLS switch not in on position if provided.